Right, okay, so you're traveling abroad and you need to pack a suit. Let's show you a tip. I'm just copying it off other people on YouTube, by the way, but this works. It's amazing. I tried it. I'll tell you what's also frustrating. Why are suits so much cheaper to buy in the UK than in Australia? Anyway, so put your hand through the shoulders of your suit and fold it over so they match like this. Yeah? Then use one hand to hold it so you can pull the other hand out and fold it over itself. So basically that is inside out. Then straighten the lapel nicely. So the idea is you match them up, okay? So that little triangle thing matches nicely, and you've got a beautiful suit like this. You hold it from there and then you push this through the other way. I don't know why, to be honest. I'll put that down for a minute. Ties, they can just fold like this. It's a little thing. Then take the trousers, fold them in half and gently roll them, not too tight, okay? Not too tight. So you got your trousers. Put your tie in there as well to make the sausage a little bit thicker. That's it. Where the trousers go in, look at this. They fit nicely, giving the shoulders a bit of a nice padding. Which now you can roll this very gently, not too tight. There you go. So you got a nice little roll to put inside your luggage. Let's see if the super packing technique that I looked up on YouTube actually works, and this is crease free. This is practically creaseless. Here's a question. Why is it even called a suitcase? I mean, is it really a case for a suit? Because if that was the case, you'd think it'd be more suited. Okay, this is getting old. It would be more suited for a suit to fit in the case. You know, like would be the shape of a suit, or would be some kind of folding compartment, a hanging bit in it, or something to be suitable for a suit to be in a case, to be called a suitcase. I don't know, weird. That's why people call it luggage, I suppose, or baggage, maybe. I don't know.